You are looking at the Phillips Norelco Multi-Groom 3100 all-in-one grooming kit with 5-in-1 attachments. It is fully washable. It has 60 minutes of runtime, cordless use, and self-sharpening blades. As you can see here, as it's marked, it has 70% longer runtime and a 2-year warranty, which is impressive. So let's go ahead and open this. There's a link also in the description below if you would like to purchase this. Now, if you look on Amazon's reviews, this has over 8,000 reviews, positive. So that's a good endorsement in and of itself. Like I said, the link to this specific model, which has those reviews, is in the description below. But let's check out what it comes with. Okay, so what you see here is what comes in the package. You have the plug with a considerably long cord here. All of the attachments twist and fit on. We will go ahead and take, this is the, and they just have markers that align on the inside. And then you just align it on there. It's very easy, very straightforward. And then this one with the adjustable height goes over the top. And it slides on these rails. And then you have the height adjustment just by pushing on this and sliding it up or down. And that brings it closer or further to those blades. This is the beard trimmer. And this is the hair trimmer. And if you're confused at all, it marks it there. So you can see the profile of a head with some hair. And this one has the profile of a bald head with a beard. So the precision trimmer fits on actually this way. The larger trimmer points in that direction, and the precision trimmer points in this direction. And of course, it has a nose hair trimmer. Now, clearly you can run this without the cord, so that is a plus. Another common question is, can this be used on other than facial and hair on top of your head, body hair, chest hair? Yes, it can with ease. Many of the reviews state that you can as well. So now this works fantastically with maintaining mustaches. It is very precise. Now, this does not replace your razor. The razor, which I have a Braun, which I highly recommend. I'll put that in the description below. But this does not have a foil attachment, so you can get very close, a very close shave or trim of stubble, but it is not going to give you a smooth finish. It just isn't designed for that. So the length of beard trim that you can get with this is about 1 inch. That's what you're looking at. So if you want to keep a beard longer than 1 inch, you just have to practice. Just want to practice maybe not getting so close. But if you're putting this directly up against your face, you have a 1 inch gap between the blades and your face at the fully extended mark. That's pretty good. So the question is it shower proof? Yes, it is shower proof. Also, if you have curled beard hair versus just straight stubble, it does a good job of unwinding or at least reaching the curled hair as well. So for those of you with tight curly beards, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, now this is how loud it is. Not too loud at all. I know some razors are ridiculously loud, but I can talk over using this. I'm not yelling while running it. Now, this is not designed for use with shaving cream, and the batteries are not replaceable, but it is a rechargeable battery with 70% longer runtime. Generally, people are reporting an hour of continuous runtime to 3 hours before it needs to be charged. Most people, however, would just keep it plugged in their bathroom. But if you're traveling, that's kind of what you can expect. So this works very well on very thick whiskers as well. So those of you with thick beards and thick facial hair, you should not have a problem. There is also a money-back guarantee from Norelco, so that should not be a problem if you find that your wire is can't be trimmed. So here it is plugged in. It leaves the wire hanging out the side, and so you have plenty of room for any other appliance that you may have plugged in your bathroom. So that's a good design on their part. Instead of having it come down and cover another outlet, it makes sure to keep it free. Okay, now we're going to do a water test. I'm going to have it on and running under the water unplugged. So it's just a charged battery. I'm not going to put this in plugged in. So the water's on. I'll make it kind of warm. All right. You can hear that it is in fact on. Now, obviously, I wouldn't recommend keeping it submerged. But if you dropped it in your tub or whatever, it's still going. So that's nice, still running. Same speed that it was before. So that's a plus. Now, if I did do that, I would probably set it upside down for a while and let it drain, but I'm not really hearing any water sloshing around. It's just water dripping off. Okay, now this is the part that probably matters the most. Now my stubble is on the thick side. It's not whisper thin and it is not wire, but it's closer to wire than it is to very thin facial hair. And I am using the beard attachment, and I have it set at 8 on a 1 to 18 scale. So we will go ahead and give this a try. I'm starting longer, and then I'll trim it shorter. Okay, so at 8, it didn't even reach it, so we'll drop it down to, let's go to 5. Okay, I'm getting some trimmed, but there was no nothing snagging. It just went right through it. We'll go a little bit shorter. Let's go to 3. I really just like a beard that's very short and clean, a little bit longer than a 5 o'clock shadow. But you want to start, it's gliding very nicely. You want to start longer and work your way down. Okay, well, I'm down. No, okay, now it's at a 3. It was at a 4. So we are getting very close. Very smooth. This is very pleasant. This feels very nice. And I'm kind of jabbing in my skin, like digging it, and it's not cutting me, it's not scraping me. I'm not really even feeling the metal. Using this in the shower would be great, because then it's taking care of all the whiskers, and just plug it in afterward. So that was on the number 2 out of 18 scale. And that's about how I like it. I'm going to use the tight trimmer on what would be my soul patch, just to give you an idea. Now this is the closest this is going to get.
Very nice.
Now, I went ahead and made an executive decision not to put in this footage. I think we're all better for not having seen it. However, the nose hair trimmer attachment works beautifully. I have used a manual nose hair trimmer before and other methods, such as even just pulling it out. And this by far works the best, with zero complaints. Now, continuing on with the rest of the video.
That is my review of the Phillips Norelco Series 3100 all-in-one grooming kit. Like I said, the link is in the description below, and if you'd like more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. And if you have another trimmer that you prefer, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.